Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for a clothing line. First, you will choose a memorable store name and register your unique domain. Next, select a Shopify plan that fits your business needs, whether you are just starting or scaling up. Then, install a visually appealing theme that perfectly reflects your brand's aesthetic. Finally, configure essential settings like payment gateways and shipping options to prepare for your first sales. Once your store is set up, it is time to add your clothing products. Upload several high-quality images for each item, showcasing details from multiple angles. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight unique features and benefits, aiming for 100 to 200 words. Set up variants for different sizes, colors, and materials to give customers choices. Organize your products into intuitive collections, making it easy for shoppers to find exactly what they want. Now, let us talk about getting the word out. Utilize Shopify's built-in marketing tools to create promotions and discounts, perhaps offering 20% off first orders. Integrate your social media channels directly with your store to showcase products and engage with your audience. Implement email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and announce new arrivals. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Instagram or Facebook to reach potential customers who love fashion. Finally, managing orders and planning for growth is key. Streamline your order fulfillment process to ensure quick and accurate delivery, aiming for dispatch within 24 hours. Diligently track inventory levels to prevent frustrating stockouts and keep popular items available. Analyze your sales data regularly to understand customer preferences and identify best-selling products. Explore Shopify's extensive app store to enhance functionality, from advanced analytics to customer loyalty programs, helping your clothing line thrive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.